Okay, in this video, we will be going over factors and multiples. So with factors, you should really think of two numbers that when we multiply them, we get a number. So as an example, the positive factors of 24 would be, we think of all the cases where we could get 24, and it's asking for positive factors, so positive numbers. And so we're thinking of two whole numbers, when multiplied together, we would get 24. So 1 times 24 is 24. 2 times 12 is also 24. 3 times 8 is 24. And 4 times 6 is 24. And there's no other whole numbers to make it happen because we went 1, 2, 3, 4. If you did 5, 5 times nothing, no whole positive number would give you 24. And so these are all the factors listed out. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 6, 8, 12, and 24. 6, 8, 12, and 24. And so if a problem asks to list out the positive factors of a number, this is how we can do it. But we will also solve actual problems. And so this is an actual problem. It's saying, what are the positive factors of 20? So again, we think of positive whole numbers when multiplied together would give you 20. And the easiest one is always 1 times 20. Then we just keep on going down. So maybe 2. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times nothing would give you 20, no positive whole number. But we can try 4. 4 times 5 is 20. And then 5 times 4 is also 20. So it kind of repeats. So at this point, we can kind of stop because the next one would be 5 and 4, and that's the exact same thing. So if you wanted to list it out, we would get 1, 2, 4, those 3. The next is 5, 10, and 20. And we can always check. You know how we can check? 1 times 20 is 20. 2 times 10 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. And that's how we can determine factors. Now, multiples occur when we multiply a number by a counting number. And counting numbers are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So if it asks you the multiples of 5 would be what? The idea is you try 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 4, 20. And so on. It never ends. Now, this problem asks, what are the first 5 multiples of 20? So the first one, 20 times 1, we get 20. Then 20 times 2, we get 40. And then 20 times 3 is 60. 20 times 4, we get 80. And lastly, 20 times 5 is 100. And so the multiples will be 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. And these are the first 5. We can keep on going. If the problem asks for the first 10, then you get 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. But this question was only asking for the first 5. And that's pretty much it regarding factors and multiples.